mixes on my guitar. And the first thing I'm going to do is the first song I ever learned. And, well, actually not the first song, but it's pretty good. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was the first song. Tell me in the comments what you think this song was. Hey guys, this is my second song, and let's see if you know what it is. Okay, now tell me in the comments what song this is. Hey guys, this is my third song, and okay, wait, let's start. So, let's go. Okay, so you tell me what that song is in the comments below. Okay, for my last song, here we go. There we go. Tell me in the comments what that song is, and bye guys. Hope you like my songs.